Hello, my name is Lindsay Bridenthal, and I'm going to show you how to make a field journal entry. And a field journal is just a notebook that you take outside to record your observations. That's what you see, hear, smell, and feel. Now there are 4 things to include in a good journal entry. The first thing is the date. You want your location, you want good notes, and a simple drawing. And all you need to get started is a pencil and paper. So let's get close. I've chosen my subject. This is a plant that grows in the hills around Wenatchee, but it also happens to be right here in my front yard. So I'm going to start with, what's number 1? The date. May 4th, 2020. I'm here in Wenatchee. And I'm going to look closely at this plant. Now, you don't have to make a complicated drawing, and you don't have to make complicated notes, but you need to look at some of the obvious features. So this plant is growing in some pretty rocky soil. So I'm going to write that down. Grows in rocky soil. This plant also has a lot of flowers, and they're a beautiful color. So peachy flowers, many peach-colored flowers. Now the smell is something that can really give a lot of plants away. This one doesn't have a strong scent. Often when you rub the plant, like the leaves, you can smell it on your hands. I can't smell anything. And there's not much of a scent to the flowers. So no strong scent. The size of the plant makes a big difference too. And this one isn't very big. I'm going to rate that it's about 6 inches tall. Now let's start our drawing. And like I said, it can be very simple. Now these leaves are rounded at the ends, and they're kind of oar-shaped, or like a jackrabbit's ears. They're kind of like this, or like a long paddle. And there are lots of leaves. There are also lots of flowers. I'm going to make a lot of stalks. And the petals on this flower are pointed at the tips, so that's unusual. I'm going to make one big flower here in front that's really obvious. There are many petals, but your drawing should show the leaf shape, the flower shape, and kind of the general shape of the plant. There are also a few little buds in here that haven't yet blossomed. So that's a nice, simple drawing. All of these leaves have one vein running down the middle. That's that stripe. So I'm going to make those too. And there we have it. The date, the location, some good notes, and a simple drawing. So you can go out there and explore and take notes of what you see. See you later.